How to create a Skype account. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you some few easy steps to create your new Skype account. Open any browser in your laptop and in the search type in Skype. Go to the official Skype page and click on the sign in icon. Here you're gonna create a new account, so click on the sign up icon. Here type in your email address. So here you need to create the strong password. So you will need to write your name. So it will send you a verification code in your email and you need to check it and enter the code. Here it's 87479. You need to complete these few steps in order to verify yourself. And if you want to stay logged in, signed in, then click on don't show this icon again and click on yes. Otherwise click on no. After that, your Skype account is created. Then that's it. Here in your profile, you'll see your profile and this is your ID. And that's it for how to create Skype account. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.